Xin chào, hello everyone, welcome back to Vietvuive channel. And today we are going to master one of the most challenging sounds for Vietnamese learners, the NG sound. Okay, so let's get started. The NG sound is a nasal sound and it's used in both the beginning and the end of Vietnamese words. It can be tricky, especially because it's not very common at the start of English words. Good news! You actually already know how to make this sound. It's like at the end of the word sing. Say it with me, sing. Do you hear that soft nasal sound at the end? Okay, so that's exactly the same as the NG sound in Vietnamese. Let's start with some example where NG come at the end of the words. In Vietnamese, you will have words like đang, which means in progress, and căng, which means tense. The trick here is to finish the words with that same nasal sound, just like the end of sing. Okay, so try it with me. Đang, đang, căng, căng. Notice how the sound flow out smoothly through your nose with your tongue toward the back of your mouth. Now here's the tricky part. The NG sound can also come at the start of a word in Vietnamese. We have words like người, người, which means persons, and ngủ, ngủ, which means sleep. In English, we almost never start words with the NG sound, but don't worry, it's just the same sound you already know from sing, just at the front. Imagine saying ng at the start of the word. Okay, so again, keep your tongue toward the back of your mouth. And let your sound come out through your nose. It feels strange at first, but with practice, it becomes easier. Now it's time to practice. Repeat after me. Đang, căng, người, người, ngủ, ngủ. Okay, one more time. Đang, đang, căng, căng, người, người, ngủ, ngủ. Keep practicing these words slowly until you feel comfortable. One mistake learners often make is replacing the NG sound with a hard G sound, like người, người. But it's not correct. The sound needs to be soft and nasal, like the end of sing, sing. Remember, practice makes perfect. The NG sound might feel strange at first, but with time, you will get it right. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on learning Vietnamese. See you next time. Hẹn gặp lại.